Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by clarifying the problem and picking the smallest useful scope. Choose prototype or production features so you can iterate. Once decided, install SDKs and containerize your environment, Python virtualenv or Node with Docker, so dependency drift is minimized. Make sure to provision API keys and check rate limits and cost estimates before you send any production traffic. This reduces surprises. It also lets you build an initial script that calls a model and returns structured, testable output. Now integrate the model into your code path by defining a clear data flow. Sanitize inputs, apply lightweight transforms, then parse model outputs into typed structures. Use prompt templates and system messages to control behavior and write unit tests for expected responses. Once done, add caching for repeated requests, retries for transient errors, and batching to reduce costs and latency. Monitor tokens and endpoint performance so you can iterate quickly and push focused improvements rather than broad spec. Finish by securing credentials, validating model outputs, and enforcing quotas to prevent runaway costs. Deploy through CI/CD and prefer canary releases so you can roll back on regressions. Add logging and observability for prompt content, response quality, latency, and cost. If behavior is wrong, reproduce the issue locally, reduce variables, and narrow the prompt or system instructions to isolate cause. One key troubleshooting tip: log exact inputs and model parameters. That single record usually reveals whether the model, prompt, or data caused the failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.